if the current liabilities are given to be 2 lakh, the current ratio is 2:1 and the liquid ratio is 1.5:1, find the value of stock or inventory. So now students, in this case, current ratio is given, liquid ratio is given, and we are given current liabilities. Let us come to the formula of current ratio first. Current ratio is equal to current assets upon current liabilities. Now in this question we are given a current ratio of 2:1. This is equal to current assets upon current liabilities, which are given to be rupees 2 lakhs. By cross multiplying 2 into 2 lakh, we get current assets as rupees 4 lakh. That means this business has got current assets worth rupees 4 lakhs. Now, coming to liquid ratio. We are given a liquid ratio of 1.5:1. So now students, the formula for liquid ratio is liquid assets upon current liabilities. So I'll just change the names here. This is liquid ratio is equal to liquid assets upon current liabilities. The liquid ratio is given to be 1.5:1. The liquid assets we need to find, so we'll put it as liquid assets only. The current liabilities are given to be 2 lakh. So again, by cross multiplying, liquid assets are equal to 1.5 into 2 lakh, that is rupees 3 lakhs. Now students, what we have got is current assets which are worth rupees 4 lakh and liquid assets which are worth rupees 3 lakh. Let us come to the formula of liquid assets. How do we calculate liquid assets? We all know liquid assets are equal to current assets minus stock or inventories minus prepaid expenses. But in this case, there is no mention of prepaid expenses, so that is assumed to be 0. Now the liquid assets that we had just calculated were rupees 3 lakhs. The current assets that we had calculated were rupees 4 lakhs minus stock. Shifting the sides, bringing stock onto this side, it will become positive. So the value of stock is 4 lakh minus 3 lakhs, which is equal to rupees 1 lakh. So students, based on this information, we can say that the value of stock is rupees 1 lakh.